Hello po. Good morning po. My name is Grace Lim. I'm from the program International Hospitality Management. So as a hospitality student po, I believe that the core of hospitality is inherently political. But throughout your talk po, I've observed some people who are distracted and not really registering the gravity of what you're putting down. It is an issue prevalent among the youth, or maybe in some certain cohorts po. Like, for example, it's incumbent for DIA and GPA students to actually digest everything that you said kasi they have to care about this, that's given po. But say, for example, an ordinary ABM student, that's not the same case. So I'm asking po for the general audience, what do you have to say to the people in this room who feel detached from this issue?
Alam mo, favorite question ko to. Sa totoo lang. Because before, I was in Cebu, I think. I was also engaging the youth. Ang sabi ng estudyante, paano po kami makikialam sa usapin ng West Philippine Sea? Bukod sa issue na malayo ito sa Cebu, pangalawa, walang kinalaman ito sa pamasahe ko sa pagpunta ng eskwelahan. Right? And for me, practically, on a pragmatic sense, parang it sounds logical. But if you're going to, let me ask you the same question that I asked him. If the Chinese embassy will tell you that they are going to pay you 10,000 pesos every week, post something that is against the West Philippine Sea, will you do?
No, sir.
No, precisely the point. It's because that is the connection that we lack. Kapag sinabi nating West Philippine Sea, sinasabi nating hindi tayo makakonect. Pero pag si Miss Ayala na nanalo ng tennis, proud tayong sabihin Pilipino tayo. Pag nanalo tayo ng gold medal, proud din tayong sabihin, wow, Philippines, nanalo tayo. And majority of you guys probably spent late nights para panoorin ng Olympics. Ang tanong ko din, may connection din ba sa inyo yon? Meron, di ba? Dahil Pilipino tayo. And I think that's the problem with the disconnect of trying to say that West Philippine Sea, malayo sa atin yan. It's because we failed to understand that when you talk about the West Philippine Sea, it reflects our own national identity as a nation. Mas naiko-connect natin ang pagiging Pilipino, mas naiko-connect natin ang obligasyon natin bilang Pilipino sa mga artista, sa nananalong singer sa American Idol, sa nananalong gold medalist, sa nananalong tennis player. Pero pag pinag-usapan ang teritoryo ng Pilipinas, hindi na ba tayo Pilipino? Pilipino ka pa ba?
Opo.
The more reason that we should stand up for our rights in the West Philippine Sea. It is wrong to think that we are detached in the issue of the West Philippine Sea. Every time you have program, kinakanta natin lahat ang Philippine National Anthem. The mere fact that you're holding a Philippine passport saying that you are part of the Philippines, you will always be